What's going on, guys? In this video we're going to be installing a brand new splitter to the front of the Golf. I went with a gloss black front splitter this time. It is an eBay special. It was literally £45, I think, something crazy like that. It's made for the Golf, so the fitment is pretty good as well. But yeah, it's a 3-piece, as you can see. The two ends screw into the middle bit. But yeah, I figured instead of spending £200 on a splitter, just get this. It looks pretty decent. It's actually pretty thick plastic as well. So the GTIs come with a little skirt on either side of the front, and as you can see, it fits in perfectly with this. So that's a good way to line the two sides up. And then in the middle, you've got a little line, so that will go obviously in the center as well. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, we got a bit carried away and I forgot to record, but we're in the process of putting the first one up. And as you can see, it does stick out a fair amount, so it does look pretty good once it's on. It looks really aggressive. So you don't have to do this, but I'd recommend getting some thin 3M tape and putting it along the splitter, just at the back where it's going to stick to the car. This will just allow you to line it up a bit better and keep it in place when you screw in the screws. Because the middle piece is quite flat, there's a nice long surface to put some tape on there as well. Because of the way the middle piece connects to the two outer edges, you want to put either one of the edges on first and then go with the middle piece next. If you do put the two end pieces on, which is what we were thinking to do, the middle piece won't connect up. You're going to risk cracking one of the pieces. So do the middle bit next. Alright, so these two smaller screws, they secure the two end pieces into the middle bit. So you've got two on either end. Alright, so installation is really easy. As you can see, once you've got them lined up and you've got one of the pieces on, it's literally just a case of screwing in the holes. They provide you with the screws and they already pre-drill the holes as well, which makes it so much easier. Yeah, you just want to make sure the three lines obviously line up with the front. Obviously the middle one should be underneath the badge. Alright, so with the last one, you will have to bend the middle bit down slightly just to hook this last bit in. But once it's in, you should be good to go. And obviously the gaps will go away once you screw it in and tighten it up. But yeah, the beauty of it is because it all fits together. If you've lined the far side or the first side up perfectly, this one will just fall into place as well. And then yeah, you're pretty much done. That's the old universal one I had on. That one's been on my old car, and then I moved it over to this car and I finally decided to get rid of it. Alright, so it's finally done and I am pretty impressed with how good the fitment was. And for £48 or £50 or whatever it was, you can't go wrong with it. I think it was a pretty good buy. I'll leave a link to it in the description below, so make sure you check it out if you are interested. If you want to see more pictures of it fitted, follow my Instagram. It'll be in the description below or on screen now, at RP_Mark7. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. That's been it for this video and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.